Your favorite Thai soup has transformed into a chicken wing. Mmm. Thai food is one of my favorite cuisines. I love all the dishes. They're always so fragrant and aromatic. And one of my favorite soups is tom yum. It's a clear soup that's spicy and rich. It has lemongrass, galangal, shrimp paste, chili, and it's just so delicious. So I thought, why not take the flavor profiles of this soup and turn them into a chicken wing? Yes, we are making tom yum chicken wings today. They are finger licking good, and it all starts with some wings. So to a bowl, I'm gonna add my chicken wings. I have drumettes and flats here. I'm gonna season them up with a little bit of canola oil, some kosher salt, and black pepper, and I'm gonna give them a nice toss. I have a baking sheet that I've lined with a little bit of parchment paper, and I'm gonna arrange the wings across the sheet, ensuring not to crowd the pan. All right, so these wings are going to hit the oven. My oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're just gonna slide them in and cook them for about 35 minutes, flipping once or twice during the cooking process until they're nice and browned. Then we're gonna pull them out. My chicken wings are hot out of the oven and they look great, nice and golden brown. And now we're gonna work on our sauce, the glaze that's gonna coat the chicken wings. And it only takes 2 ingredients, you guys. The first one is Thai sweet chili sauce, and the second is tom yum soup base, which you can easily find at any Asian grocery store. So I'm gonna add the sweet chili sauce to a small saucepan. We're gonna add in a couple of spoonfuls of that fragrant tom yum soup base, which has things like lemongrass and galangal and chili and lime. And we're gonna bring this mixture up to a simmer and cook it until the paste is completely dissolved. I'm gonna add my chicken wings to a large bowl, and we're gonna pour that gorgeous glaze all over. Give the wings a nice toss to coat, and then onto a lined baking tray, making sure to spread out the wings into one even layer again. They're going back into the 400 degree oven for an additional 10 minutes just to let that glaze thicken and set. Garnish with thinly sliced green onions, and just like that, our tom yum chicken wings are ready. These wings look so inviting. They are glossy and shiny, and you can just smell the aroma of the Thai sweet chili sauce and that tom yum paste. Let's grab one. Oh, that looks perfect. The flavor is wow. It's just wow. It's so good. If you love a wing that's sticky and sweet, this is the one for you. The moment that you bite into the chicken wing, it just falls off the bone. It is so tender and succulent, and it's covered in this sticky glaze, sweet from that Thai sweet chili sauce. And then the banger here is all the flavor from the tom yum soup base. You have the lemongrass, the galangal, the chili, all coming through loud and clear and adding so much flavor to this wing. The next time you're looking to switch up your wing game and do something a little different and bring in the flavors of Thailand, consider my tom yum wings. They only take 3 ingredients and they're so easy to make.